all for art and art for all. I'm going to do this simple four-legged table. So I'm going to start with my rhombus shape, which is a foreshortened rectangle. And I'm going to put two dots that are close together, and then centered in between that, two dots that are farther apart. And when I connect those, should have something a little bit like a diamond shape, they call it sometimes, but I know in math you guys call it a rhombus. So I'm going to come straight down from each corner and have an even thickness to my tabletop. And so my top contour should be parallel to my bottom contour. And all the contours on my legs are going to be parallel to these two contours. So let's do the front leg. And the bottom of it is going to go up at that same angle. And go up. Then this edge of the leg is going to go up at that angle. And then I'll go straight up. And over here, this part's a little trickier because I want the bottom to have a bottom contour. So I want to make a line right underneath my corner that is following this upward contour. Whoop, whoop. And then I can go straight up. And then I'd be able to see this side of it because this is kind of a block. And it's going to go with this contour, the one that's going up and away. So up and away. So you should see a little V here, a little V here. And it's basically the same kind of V shape that I have here in my rhombus. So same thing down here. Let me come down, not coming down all the way, should come down probably about the same as that one. And the bottom edge of that leg will match this edge of the table. Go straight up. And then this upwards contour, whoop, whoop. And I go straight up. And this leg would probably be hidden here, but I'm gonna make it off center just a little so that I can see it. And then I went ahead and made kind of a shadow here. And then I'm doing some cross hatching, some shading with hatch marks. A hatchet cuts things, and a hatch mark is going to cut up my shape with little lines. So I'm just shading that face. And so on this side, this would be underneath, and the shadow might even be a little darker right there, way under it. And then down here, this one would be even darker, this leg. And that is our simple table. All for art and art for all.